The basic parts of a computer and their functions. Knowing what the computer parts are is good, but we will explain each part's function, giving you a firmer understanding of them. 1. The computer case or system unit. This is the component that holds all of the parts to make up the computer system. Cases come in all different sizes and shapes to accommodate various types of computer components and satisfy the consumer's needs. 2. The motherboard. The motherboard is the main board that is screwed directly inside the computer case. All other cards and everything else plugs directly into the motherboard, hence its name. 3. Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU or Central Processing Unit is basically like the brain of computer systems. It takes all the processes from the RAM and processes them to perform the tasks required by the computer system. 4. Random Access Memory or RAM. RAM is a data storage device that can provide fast read and write access. RAM is volatile memory, meaning it loses all the stored data when power is lost. The RAM keeps data ready for the CPU to process. 5. The graphics card, otherwise known as the Graphics Processing Unit or GPU. A graphics card is an output device that processes the data from the motherboard and sends the appropriate information to the computer's screen for display. You can connect monitors to it using HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA connectors. 6. A sound card. Most of the time, the sound chip built into the motherboard is used for audio output. But, if you are a sound enthusiast or prefer high-quality audio output while playing a game, you might be inclined to use a sound card. 7. The hard disk drive or HDD. A hard drive is still found in many PCs to this day. A mechanical drive's purpose is to store all your information for retrieval at any time. Apart from storing information for your computer, it also functions as a boot drive to run the operating system or OS from it. 8. The solid-state drive or SSD. An SSD is also a type of hard drive, but it doesn't have any moving bits. It consists of a bank of flash memory that can hold a reasonable amount of information. 9. The power supply unit or PSU. A power supply unit mounts inside the computer case. It converts the AC mains supply from the power cord from a wall socket and supplies the correct DC voltages to all the components. 10. A monitor, sometimes referred to as the Visual Display Unit or VDU. A monitor is an output device used to visualize the graphics information sent from the computer's GPU. 11. The keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that is one of the ways to communicate with a computer. 12. The mouse. A mouse is an input device that allows the user to move a pointer displayed on the monitor and experience a more intuitive interaction with computer systems. Common peripheral parts for computers. A printer. A printer can take an image sent by a computer and deliver it onto a sheet of paper. A scanner. A scanner can take anything on paper, and it functions by scanning it to produce a replicated digital image for a computer to save. Computer speakers. Speakers can connect to the sound card at the rear of the computer. Another way they can be connected is by a monitor that already has built-in speakers. That covers all the components of a computer system. Thanks for watching. You can read the complete article on computerinfobits.com.